I don't think I ever want to do a job. मैं literally chat GPT से contracts बनवाती थी, knowing for sure कि these hold like zero value. भाई अगर मैंने agency start कर ली तो everything will have to be more real. Everything has to be much more professional. And I was so scared of that. Hi guys, I'm Anya and I suck at introductions. So let's just get in the video. I am an agency founder now. And I still cannot wrap my head around it, and it's. Oh, this is my dog, by the way. I still cannot wrap my head around it, but it's happening. And I'll tell you how and exactly what all I did in the last 3 years of my college to end up here. So let me take you back to 2024 in my second semester of college. I started posting on LinkedIn in March of 2024 and for the longest time I had no clue what was going on. मतलब मैं कुछ भी post कर रही थी, like the most random things. My very first post was about this one ugly painting that I had made. So clearly I had no idea what I was doing. And I used to be on LinkedIn a lot, like just absolutely obsessing over the correct way to post. And because I was on that platform so much, obviously every single day I was noticing कि लोग कैसे लिख रहे हैं, what kind of posts are getting the traction, कौन कौन सी चीजें viral जा रही है, all of that. So essentially the only thing I did was observe and see what's working out for other people and then just copy paste it to my profile. Now I was not copying their content, which I cannot say for a lot of people who copy my content on LinkedIn. But I was just making smart observations as to what is working and then applying that formula to my posts. I used to post thrice a week and I did that for 6 months, which is when I hit 20K followers on LinkedIn. And then it was because of seeing all this insane amount of growth on LinkedIn that I realized ki maybe I can do content creation on other apps as well. And that's when I started with Instagram, reached to like 25K there in about 6 months, started getting collaborations, Insta Baby, LinkedIn Baby, started making money through social media, which was again just like absolutely insane for me. And I don't mean कि like एक post से मेरे को 50,000 मिल रहा है, nothing crazy of that sort. But imagine as a college student when you're literally just 19, I was comfortably making enough to support myself and to like not take any amount of money from my parents. And that independence just felt really good, which in turn gave me the confidence to start freelancing. Now, I've already made a couple of videos on that, which you can check out if you want to get into freelancing. But मैं तुम्हें बहुत short में बताती हूँ. I started freelancing in 2025. I had 3 clients to begin with. Those 3 clients then turned into 6 clients, and I was then making enough money to like support myself plus invest plus have savings. So it was only in April of 2025 that I actually got this phone, the one that I'm shooting on right now, which is an iPhone 16. I got it entirely from my own money, which was like the first big purchase that I ever made. I did get it on EMI and I paid it off eventually. But yeah, it was just something that I had always, only dreamed of doing. I was like, "Ki bhai, would I ever be able to afford like a 70,000 phone?" And I did do that. Anyway, mid of 2025, I have a lot of clients, I'm making good money, but I was always missing a structure. I had a lot of inbound leads, I had a lot of clients coming to me, पर मेरे पास ना तो bandwidth थी because again I was also doing college full time. I was doing content creation by the side and then I was handling profiles. तो ऐसा हो रहा था कि like high ticket clients were coming to me who were ready to pay like 300 $500 to have their profiles handled, but I just did not have enough time or energy to take on their profiles. And that just made me very sad because hello, I have such high profile people coming to me and I have to say no to them. अब वो प्रोफेशनल भी नहीं होता है एंड यू जस्ट एंड अप फीलिंग सैड बिकॉज एट द एंड यू आर नॉट एबल टू स्केल योर बिजनेस एक पॉइंट के बाद. तो अगर मैं इस पॉइंट पे 6 क्लाइंट्स हैंडल कर रही थी, मैं उससे ज़्यादा ले ही नहीं पा रही थी. That was when I first considered starting an agency. But another thing that you need to know about me, आई एम वेरी रिस्क अवर्स. मुझे लाइफ में रिस्क लेने से बहुत ज़्यादा डर लगता है. जबकि आई थिंक अबाउट इट, लाइफ में मैंने जब भी रिस्क लिए हैं, वेदर इट्स समथिंग एज स्मॉल एज ड्रॉपिंग मैथ्स इन 12th grade to like starting content creation, starting a business, all of that has always turned out to be like the best life decisions I could take. But even after that, I just have always been so scared to do things that are not conventional. So at this point, I was still considering, should I do it? Should I not do it? When agency start कर ली, तो like how do you even be legit? Do you have to print like business cards? तुम्हें अपने social media सारे फिर से बनाने पड़ते हैं. How do you like register a company? Is there GST stuff that I need to know about? I had no clue. Okay, at the end, I am just an English major. मुझे इन सब के बारे में कुछ नहीं पता. And that is something that held me back for the longest time. Imagine इस point पर when I was making contracts for my client, मैं literally ChatGPT से contracts बनवाती थी, knowing for sure कि these hold like zero value. अगर किसी client ने contract अगर breach भी करा तो मैं कोई कोर्ट में जाके लड़ नहीं सकती because it's a fucking ChatGPT contract. तो आई वाज जस्ट लाइक कि भाई अगर मैंने एजेंसी स्टार्ट कर ली तो एवरीथिंग विल हैव टू बी मोर लेजिट, एवरीथिंग विल बी मोर रियल, एवरीथिंग हैज टू बी मच मोर प्रोफेशनल. एंड आई वाज सो स्कैर्ड ऑफ दैट. एंड उसी टाइम पे मेरे कॉलेज के प्लेसमेंट्स भी चल रहे थे. अब मैंने तो यही सोचा था कि भाई फ्रीलांसिंग इज जस्ट समथिंग दैट आई डिड इन कॉलेज टू मेक मनी. ऑब्वियसली ये बिजनेस बिजनेस चलाना कौन अपना दिमाग मारेगा. आई जस्ट गेट अ जॉब, हैव लाइक अ chill 9 to 5 life, build content side by side, and we'll see how it goes. तो I was actively applying to jobs. मतलब जो भी job आ रही थी मैं उसमें apply करती थी. अगर मैं eligible नहीं भी हूँ तब भी मैं apply करी थी. I remember the first two companies I applied to were BCG and McKinsey for role of a consultant, जिसमें इतनी भारी मैथ्स की जरूरत होती है भाई. मेरे को फ्रैक्शंस नहीं आते, मैं कैसे कोई चीज की कंसल्टेंट एनालिस्ट बन जाती. बट मैंने अप्लाई कर दिया था. एंड दे वर ऑल्सो द फर्स्ट टू रिजेक्शंस दैट आई गॉट एंड दैट आई क्राइड ओवर, बिकॉज उस पॉइंट पे तो मुझे लग रहा था कि मुझे कोई रिजेक्ट कैसे कर सकता है. मेरा सीवी तो इतना अच्छा है, मुझे तो रियल लाइफ वर्क एक्सपीरियंस है, हाउ कैन समबडी रिजेक्ट मी. दे डिड. They rejected me, and I was like very sad about that for a very long time. But I did not lose hope. I still kept applying for jobs, all while again in my whole dilemma कि मेरे को agency चालू करनी चाहिए नहीं करनी चाहिए, कौन संभालेगा, all that. Mid December, applied for this one role, got to know that I've been selected, I have a job, hashtag placed. But I just realized I was like so not happy about it. I mean, जब मुझे वो acceptance मिला ना, that's when I realized कि भाई I was genuinely praying कि मेरा ना हो, that I don't get selected. And I was low-key sad that I got selected and now I have to do a job. But this realization hit me like a truck, and I was like, I don't think I ever want to do a job. Maybe it's time that I finally do something that I have wanted to do for a really long time. And it was not easy. It still isn't. I mean, I'm like extremely scared that everything will just fail and crash and burn and I'll have to live on the streets. But I also think that that's a risk that I'm willing to take, at least at this point in my life. So, guys, you all are sort of like the first people to know that I have officially started my agency. And you know what I have? A business card. I'm not even sure if you can see it. Like, is it like as a ulta in the camera? I don't know. Yeah, I am the co-founder of Miraki Studios. We are a personal branding agency and we help founders and leaders scale on LinkedIn all through organic content. Who's the other co-founder, you ask? I will probably introduce them in one of the future videos. Even saying all this out loud feels just very strange, but also in a really good way. Like whenever I say I'm the co-founder of Miraki Studios, I get goosebumps. I'm so happy. Anyway, do you guys like the name? Miraki means to do something with love, soul, creativity. And that's exactly what I feel about everything that I do. So, yeah, that's the big announcement for 2026. I am a co-founder. You guys should check out Miraki's Instagram. I will probably post like a reel in the coming week, introducing the co-founder and all of that. But yeah, 2026 is already super insane. I'm really excited, and I'm really excited for you guys to be a part of this journey with me. I am sorry, बीच में YouTube got a little bit neglected. I did not post for 3 weeks. पर मैं ऐसे chill नहीं कर रही थी, मैं काम कर रही थी. That's it for this week's video. I just wanted to tell you guys what's happening. Let me know if you have any questions. Let me know what you want to see for next week. I am officially out of ideas. I've been doing इतना सारा content वाला काम ना for clients also, for my own pages also, कि अब I'm just in like the worst content block ever. Content block? Creative block ever. So if you have any fun ideas of what we should do, let me know. And I will see you next week. Bye.